Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. Before I start, if you're wondering what's on my nails, it's this beautiful, look at the multi-chrome flakies there. It's an Arda's Nails and it's from the Autumn Solstice Collection, and this one is Harvest Moon, which is this beautiful deep red maroon shade, but there's a kind of goldish green duochrome. You can't quite see it in this light, but what I'll do is I'll put a picture up where you can see the duochrome effect. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. So this is Harvest Moon. Okay, so today's video, you can tell from the title what it is, but if you remember, I used to get glossy boxes. And I had to stop because I wasn't working at the time and it was a little bit too expensive for me. I had to trim some savings, so Glossybox took a hit, unfortunately. But I did miss getting it. I miss getting like a little treat every month through the mail. So I've been thinking about, well, actually I was thinking about starting Glossybox again since I've started my job. But what I decided to do was go with another subscription box. So as you can see, what I've got here is Birchbox. So this is the September box, and I think there is an extra free gift, you know, for subscribing as like for your first box. And this is actually a really pretty box. Oh yeah, I can see I'm going to be able to use this actually. Might be able to store some nail polishes in here. Okay, let's see what's inside. So this is the September box, and it's On Top of Your World. Birchbox is I think it's 5. We'll see. I think it's 5 items, and it's £10 plus postage and packing. So it's about £13–14 a month. I'm doing it monthly for now, which means, you know, you can cancel any time, because I'm, you know, I just want to see what it's like. So On Top of Your World, September. It's got an October sneak peek here as well. And oh, okay, this what's in the box, so I don't want to spoil myself. Let's see. So we have this looks like a sample size high performance hair care soothing balm. So this is for frizzy, unruly hair, to give a polished look, distribute evenly through damp hair. And let's see what this is like. Okay, so it's more of a kind of cream, like a moisturiser, than a serum. It actually smells quite nice. And this is number 4, high performance hair care. Okay, I mean, I'll give that a go. I'm thinking more for Stuart actually than me, because he has quite unruly hair, and he tends to use coconut oil to kind of tame his hair. So if it doesn't work for me, it might work for Stuart. So that's the first item. Okay, so the second item, what's in it for me? Oh, shower scrub. Totally selfish, indulgent, in love with yourself products. Walnut shell, exfoliate, sweet almond oil. Okay, this looks like it's going to have a nice scent actually. So it's an exfoliating shower scrub. That's good. It's sealed for hygiene. It doesn't look like there are too many bits in there. There is actually a cream with it as well, so I think that'll be quite a nice shower cream. So 2 products that I can definitely use. I'm not sure who. I think that's the brand What's In It For Me. Funny name. Okay, this one is a black mask. Minimise your mirror time with our activated charcoal mask. I've seen so many of these charcoal masks, and I've never used one, so this will be my first try with a charcoal mask. Wow, it really is black. Let me know if you've tried these charcoal masks. Have you got any tips for me? Yeah, that's quite interesting. I mean, it doesn't look like one of the sort of silicone-y type ones that just stick to your face. This is more of a kind of face wash, I think. But who knows? Let me know if you've got any tips for how to use these black charcoal face masks. But I'm interested in trying that. Okay, oh, and I think this was my free gift. This is Benefit. I think this is, oh, it's a blush, pink blush. Yeah, this is, this we got an email asking whether or not and there were two choices, this one and more of a kind of goldy one. That looks like quite a nice, subtle, peachy blush. And that is Benefit, California. And we also have Marcel City. This is a 24-hour anti-pollution night and day moisturising emulsion. It's really tiny sample size of 7 millilitres. Yeah, so a decent moisturiser, 24-hour moisturiser, so I'll definitely give that a go. Never heard of this brand before, but we can but try. And then here we have Estate, and I've got two of these. I don't know if that's a mistake. I think this was the free gift. This is Estate Lip Icing, Wet Matte Liquid Lips. Ooh. This looks really nice, actually. This is extra and treat, extra treat. Okay, so I'm guessing these are supposed to come together. And so this is described as a lip icing. So I'm guessing it's kind of lip gloss. Yeah. Very, very shiny. I like that. So a lip icing, and this one is a wet matte liquid lips, and that's this shade, and I like this one as well. Let's see what this is. Wet matte. Oh, that's quite unusual. I really quite like these lip glosses. That's an age spot on my skin rather than the actual formula. So this is Treat, and this is Extra Treat, and this is from a brand called Estate. I really like that. So I think these are my free gifts for signing up. Let's have a quick look. September is the month of new beginnings. Well, it is for me. This is my first Birchbox. So Benefit Box of Powder, California, not California. And that's this one. What's in it for me? Shower scrub. Number 4, soothing balm. And it is a peel off face mask, so rather than a mask that you wash off. Apply to the T-zone and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm really interested. I might try that later on, actually. Yeah, so I'm quite happy. I mean, you know, I'm happy with what's in the box. I'll see what the products are actually like and I'll try them. I'm going to continue until I get a box that I don't think is worth it. But this one I definitely think is worth it. Yeah, I'm going to try all of this, actually. So let me know if you are in the UK and you get UK Birchbox. Are you happy with Birchbox? Have you been with them for a while? Are there any other beauty boxes that I should try other than Birchbox? I mean, I'm really only interested in just getting one subscription at the moment, but if there's one that's much better than Birchbox. But I just thought I'd give this a try. And yeah, I'm actually quite impressed, especially I think probably because you get the two lip glosses as well as a kind of welcome gift. But yeah, that's it for me. That's the September Birchbox. Let me know what you think. I do like this box, and that was my fault. I didn't realise the box came like that, so I took the knife and scratched the top of it, which is a shame, but I can still get use out of this box, definitely. That's it for me for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!